rent or revenue derived from land. What does it mean? Under section 2 subsection 1a, under section 2 subsection 1a, if the following three conditions are satisfied, then income from land shall be termed as agricultural income. That means the rent or revenue from point number 1. That's in point number 1. I gave you point number 1. So that I am explaining now. To make it agricultural income, some conditions are there. Any rent from land may not be agricultural income. Any rent will not be agricultural income. So there are some conditions. There are 3 conditions. Because if these 3 conditions are not satisfied, then you have to pay income tax on the rent. So this is very, very important that you know the 3 conditions, which condition will make the rent as income free, tax free. So what are the conditions? Let me give you. Number 1, rent or revenue should be derived from land. In bracket you write, maybe in cash or in kind. Maybe in cash or in kind. Maybe in cash or in kind. That means the rent you may receive in cash or rent you can receive in non-cash item. Suppose you have received some paddy, that is also rent. Received some potato, that is also rent. That is in kind. Not cash, in goods, then in kind. So that is number 1, that rent should be on land. Rent should not be on any other thing. Number 1 point. Point number 2, the land is one which is situated in India. In bracket you write, if the land is situated, in bracket you write, if the land is situated in a foreign country, comma, then this condition is not satisfied. Clear? There are several these types of questions. Suppose a person is having agricultural land in Sri Lanka and he is having so much of income, so whether it is taxable or not. You say yes, taxable. It is not agricultural income because it is in foreign country. Land must be situated in India. Then the income will be agricultural income. Number 3 condition, the land is used for agricultural purposes. The land is used for agricultural purposes. Full stop. So these are the 3 conditions. See, any land, rent on any land will not be agricultural income. I told you that day that you are having a land in Fancy Bazaar and you are getting some rent out of it. Someone has opened some godown like that, warehouse like that, godown, and you are getting some rent. Rent is in Fancy Bazaar. And this is not agricultural income because it is not in agricultural land. It is not agricultural land. So there are some conditions. These conditions will make a rent agricultural income. Because if the income is agricultural, there will not be any tax. So government is given, the act has given these provisions. If these three conditions are satisfied, only then rent or revenue from a land will become agricultural income. And once it is agricultural income, there will be no income tax. It may be used for determining the rate, but it is not taxable. Clear? So please learn these conditions, because there may be a question.